Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a custom hat that I just finished for one of my gorgeous clients, Megan.
Gorgeous, the house of hats. This is how it came in this gorgeous big box. Oh, look at her. Have a look. Look at this vintage, beautiful. Oh, she's put a bee on. It's just like she knows me. Look at this. This is handmade from House of Hats Milliners down. Oh, I just can't express. This is gorgeous deep brown from town. And this is my winter hat. So I'm a bit of a hat snob. Yes, I have a lot of hats, but have a look at this. Beautifully stitched. Look at that stitching. Oh, this is a hat that's going to last forever. It will go in its box each night.